This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 46, VM Migration Basics, Migration Strategies. In this presentation, we explore the simulation of AC microgrids, covering both grid-connected and isolated modes under varying conditions, of renewable generation, battery storage, diesel generators, and fluctuating loads. Modeling and simulation platforms like RTDSOP, ALRT enable time domain transient analysis, allowing us to study the behavior of loads, PV systems, generators, batteries, and their interactions before real-world implementation. Real-time simulation offers the advantage of continuous operation and hardware-in-loop testing, evaluating microgrid components under realistic operating conditions. A case study focuses on a 3-phase 480V AC microgrid comprising a 0.5 MW load, 0.4 MW PV system, 1.25 MVA diesel generator, and 0.5 MW battery storage. The aim is to understand the challenges of integrating diesel generators, which are common in Indian commercial buildings, into the microgrid. In grid-connected mode, we examine different scenarios, including the operation of PV and battery inverters using PQ control, the role of the diesel generator in regulating voltage and frequency load changes, and the charging and discharging of batteries. The simulation results for grid-connected mode illustrate various cases, such as the grid supplying the entire load when DRs are inactive, PV and battery operation during load changes, and the contribution of each component to meet the demand. Moving to isolated mode, we observe the alignment of generator and grid currents when the system is stable. The battery discharges while the PV operates MPPT, and the diesel generator actively supports real and reactive power. The isolated mode simulations demonstrate scenarios where the battery discharges to maintain the load, the PV operates away from MPPT, and the diesel generator contributes to meeting the demand when the grid is disconnected. Transient states are captured, showing changes in battery, PV, and generator currents during load increases, with the grid disconnected. These simulations provide valuable insights for real-time AC microgrid deployment based on observed transients and steady-state conditions. In summary, simulating AC microgrids allows us to analyze feasibility before field deployment, enabling hardware-in-loop testing of components. Our case study focused on diesel generator integration, covering grid-connected and isolated modes, transient responses, and the contribution of each component to meet the load demand. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.